Hey guys, so welcome back to another video. I am Terry. I hope you're all doing fine. So today I'll be showing you guys how I did these knotless jumbo twists on my hair. I've been wanting to do them for a while and I finally got around to doing them. Love the way that they came out, and if you guys want to see how I did this style, keep on watching. So this is what we're working with today. My hair was freshly washed and moisturized and placed in some huge twists, so that's why I have this little frizzy twist out going on. I did started to pre-part my hair out into my huge sections because I did not want to like sit down forever to do my hair. Let me count how much twists I have, guys. So in total I have 16 jumbo twists. Towards the back I have 7 sections and then the rest towards the front. So right here I'm just pre-parting my hair out and I'm just doing some like free twists. I'm not necessarily making it neat at this point. If you have someone to like help you part your hair out, you can ask someone to help you. Here it took me a very long time to like pre-part my hair, so like to speed up the process, you guys can ask someone to help you out. So once I have like a map of what I want to work with, I start off with the back section first. I'm using the Yaman braid here, and this is in the color number 1. Really love this hair because it's like the closest texture to my natural hair, and that's what it looks like out of the package. And to help with the neatening process of my hair, I will be using the Let's Jam in Extra Strength. So I took about that much first, and towards the back, as I said, I did this style all by myself. Well, I do most of my style all by myself, so I am like using my fingers to feel sections, and like towards the back I can't see. So guys, if my partings are not like super neat, don't kill me for that, okay? I'm basically using my fingers for my eyes. So I placed on my first section of hair, and then I used a rubber band to hold that into place. This method was the easiest method. Before doing this style, I tried out a couple of methods of doing this style here, and this was the easiest way for me to get that knotless look, by using the rubber band and placing down the hair first. So that's what I did here. I'm just showing you how I install it right here, but I will go more into depth in the next clip. So this is a bundle of hair that's from one pack, and as you guys can see, I'm taking out a couple of strands. In total, for each twist I use 6 strands of the Yaman braid hair. So I took half of the amount of hair, and then I took the other half, I lined them up, and then I put it like halfway down. I put one side I put one side like halfway down the other, so that I can like extend the length of the braid that I had. So my hair, it currently is touching me like right on top of my butt, past waist length. So yeah, if you guys want to lengthen your braids, you can do that. I did drench my elastic bands in oil, as you saw me do there, and then I did the same method where I placed the braid down in between my natural hair, and then I used a rubber band to hold the hair into place by securing it with my hair. Right here, as you guys can see, I am taking the braiding here and I'm covering up my natural hair. If you find that when you're twisting your hair, the hair is like twisting around and like not being secure, you can use a hair clip to just hold the hair into place while you twist. That way it will reduce any tension and it won't loosen the twist while you twist down. So you're basically just doing like a free twist. As I said, this hair is like super kinky. It has a super kinky texture. You don't necessarily, well, particularly for this style, I did not want it to be like too refined or neat. So I'm not twisting tightly. I'm not doing a rope twist. If you want your twist to be like have that refined look, you can do a rope twist, but I just did some very loose twists going down. I'm just going ahead and I'm cleaning up my parts by using the Let's Jam, and then I just go ahead and I work on each section. So I'm using the Let's Jam to base around the perimeter of each section. And then I use like my edge brush to kind of like brush it in and smooth in my edges. I split my hair into two. I take my braiding here, and I did that same method that I used to like lengthen the hair by putting half and half halfway down each other. Now I'm just going to take my elastic band that was drenched in oil, and I'm going to gather my hair, the two halves of my hair together, and secure that with the rubber band with the braiding here in between. You're gonna want to like pull your hair down to ensure that it is secure to your root and it's not looking too puffy. If it looks puffy, that's preference. It will look more like worn out, but if you don't mind that look, nothing is wrong. I go ahead and I cover my hair up by putting it in between the braiding here, and then once that's covered up, I start the twisting process. I just loosely wrap the hair over each other to create that twisting motion. You want to stop and check your progress as you go along to ensure that everything is being done the way that it should, to ensure that everything is looking the way that you want it to look. If it doesn't look right, you stop and you start over. Okay, simple. So this hairstyle, it took 1 hour and 30 minutes while filming. So if I was not filming and if I didn't have to stop in between and so on, this hairstyle would legit take me like 1 hour to do. So it was a really quick style, really simple and easy to do, and it lasts because this is 1 week post that I am making this voiceover now and editing this video, and the hairstyle is still looking nice because of its like natural texture. Like, to me, the older the hairstyle gets is the prettier it gets. I love hairstyles like these. You can always wear them long term and it doesn't look weird overall. I know that persons might ask that question, and also some might want to know how many twists I have in my hair. Just for emphasis, I'll be repeating, I have 16 twists in my hair, and for each section I used 6 strands of the Yemen braid hair. So this is what my hair looks like once everything is in. Love the natural look. Okay, my natural hair blended so well with this. There are many ways that you can wear this style, half up, half down, to the side, center part, depending on your preference. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and smooth my edges as usual. As usual, I'm going in with my Eco Styling Gel in the Argan Oil, and I'm gonna smooth my edges and like swoop them in the direction that I want them to go by using my edge brush. And once that is laid the way that I want it, I freeze my hair into place with the Got to Be Glued spray, and I tie my edges down. I didn't show that in this video, but I did tie my edges down to ensure that my edges can last all day, like all day. Yeah, so that's basically what I did with my edges, and it just brought this hairstyle to life. So right here I just kind of like did a little style where I had a bang in the front, and I like tied the rest of my hair back down. This is how I would wear it, like in a center part. I'm going to show you guys some close up, like look how natural it is. I love it. Love it. So if you guys like this video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.